Well, hey folks, how's it all going? And oh man, chicken legs. When's the last time you saw me do chicken legs? It's been a while, hasn't it? And you know what? I was going to do something on the grill tonight, but it got a little bit too late. So I want to do some breaded chicken legs. So I've got some of this Shorelunts classic fried chicken. Oh man, that looks good. But I am really bad with flour-based breading, folks. So I put a little panko in it to try and crisp things up. And then to get a little bit more seasoning, with the Cindy Lou's chili lime. You saw me use this the last couple times. I'll leave the link down below. So we've got it in our bag there. I'm not going to use any egg. It calls for egg. It calls or milk. I'm just going to use water, and I'm going to bread it up in our Ziploc. So stay tuned. Let's take a look. All right. So what we're doing here is I just wash these. Make sure, folks, you wash your hands real good before you do anything else. And I got one dry hand, clean hand, and one dirty hand, and I've got everything in there. I've got a spray bottle full of water, and like I said, no milk, no egg wash, and we're just gonna roll it in our bag here. This just helps make things clean. And then we're just gonna put it on our dry plate like that. So I'll get the other three done, and then I'm gonna spritz them, and do it again just to build up that breading. So keep on watching. All right, got one double dunked there already, and we're gonna do some more double dunked. So we're gonna bring her back over. Oh, gosh darn it, wrong hand. Sorry. Bring her back over and then spritz it. Water. Remember, no egg wash, no milk, no nothing. And then put it back in. And we're just going to turn around. We're double dunking here. Get some more of that flour, some more of that seasoning, some more of that panko on there. And this is how it comes out. And we'll put that into the air fryer. So I'm going to finish up the rest of these, and then we'll get them on the air fryer, give you a look-see. All right, there it is in the basket, folks. I have struggled using flour-based seasoning in the past, so I am going to spray just a little bit of canola oil on there. And this is not like deep frying, but it's going to help bread things up. All right, that's enough. So we're gonna let's get her in the air fryer. Here, get you adjusted here too, so you can see what I'm doing. Hang on. Get you up there. All right, so press the on button. We're at 350. We're gonna bump the temperature up. 99% of everything I do is 400 degrees. And we're gonna leave it at 15. Give you a look. I tell you what, let's take a look at 10. So, see you in 10 minutes. There we are, 10 minutes. Let's take a quick look. Oh yeah, things are frying up a little bit. So we'll continue on going. That you can see that spray helped a lot. So we'll keep on frying these up and give you a couple more look-sees. All right, folks, we're in another 2 minutes. Let's take a quick look. Now, if that don't look like fried chicken, I don't know what it is. So I'm gonna give them a flip, and we'll brown up the other side, give you another look-see. All right, so when I flipped them over, it was amazing. They were almost done on the other side too. So that's fried chicken right there, folks. That is amazing. So I'll tell you what, I'm gonna let this cool off a little bit, get it plated up, and give you a final look-see. That's awesome. Oh, there it is. Folks, actually that was a total of about 20 minutes there, but I'll tell you what, that looks like fried chicken, don't it? Look at that. That is nice. Let's take a taste test, shall we? Oh. hot. But I'll tell you what, that's awesome. Oh my gosh. So that chili lime, I can taste that. Putting the panko in there with the flour helped a lot. Spraying a little of the canola oil on there, I'll tell you, that helped to brown things up. And that's what sometimes you gotta do on an air fryer. So this worked. And I'll tell you what, that is awesome when it comes to fried chicken legs. And that almost looks like something you could get from KFC. So Tom Horseman on YouTube, folks, I hope you enjoyed this. Comment, leave a thumbs up, and as always, don't forget to subscribe. And as always, I appreciate you watching. Thank you.